right, we're over here with Hunter from UltiClip. Go ahead and show me your new product there.
So this is new for SHOT Show this year. This is the UltiClip XL. It is a steel locking belt loop. So you can thread your belt through or pull it over. And then it's also the world's first holster clip multi-tool. So you take it here, depress the tab, pop it out, and you have a flathead screwdriver, and then 3 adjustable wrenches on one side. So
that is cool.
Basically adjust the cant, adjust the ride height, or I can pop the screws out and take my inside the waistband holster and turn it into an outside the waistband holster.
Very cool. I like that.
Instead of buying multiple holsters for your firearm, you have basically one holster with multiple functions.
With multiple, yeah.
So it allows you to be versatile and concealable all at the same time.
And what's the weight that can withstand pulling? You know, as far as that looks a little stronger than the one that shows 75.
The UltiClip and the UltiClip 3, which are made for concealability and retention, are rated up to 70 pounds.
Okay.
So these are right up in there to 50 to 70 pound range.
Okay, cool.
This is the UltiClip XL. You can find this on our website, or if you navigate to it, we also have a dealer map where you can find local locations that offer UltiClip.
And what would be the retail of the whole system there?
The UltiClips themselves, these retail for $14.99, and the UltiClip and UltiClip 3 retail for $11.99.
Cool deal.
Yeah, so any consumer that has an existing holster, they can take our clip, use the hardware that's already on it, that it came with, and take their old clip off and put the new one on.
Very cool. Thank you.